Stop scrolling right now. If you've been looking for the absolute best stuff online, this might just most satisfying is the best investment you can make. Everyone is talking about it lately because it feels incredibly high quality. When you first try it out, you will instantly notice how reliable and sturdy it actually feels. It completely outclasses older models in the industry. The main benefit is that it handles heavy usage without any issues, which is why thousands of global shoppers have given it perfect ratings. You don't have to deal with cheap, low-quality alternatives anymore. This unit is truly engineered to last and delivers exactly what you need. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on this deal today without any delay. Stop scrolling right now. If you've been looking for